We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig Vinco Ventures Inc. and the stock zigzagged on sideways action today, right? Within the day, it didn't go much lower, not much higher, kind of stayed within the same direction. And the overall market, a lot of stocks reacted this way, and even the SPY zigzagged sideways, right? And within the volatility, our SPY bot sent us out at 9 a.m. a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options went up 2 to 3x, and at 12 p.m. we got a bull indicator, and call options were up 2 to 3x within the volatility, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize in either direction of individual stocks or the overall market, such as the SPY within the volatility, guys. You can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and the SPY bot as well. Now, the SPY reacted this way. It sat sideways, and we have Bbig doing the same thing, right? Sitting sideways, not going much lower, not going much higher, and that shows some strength. But we're going to break it all down in today's video, what to look for going into next week. But I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that cannot be overlooked. This was phenomenal and beyond expectations within the day, and even on how it's reacted throughout the week, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market or early on in the week, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with Bbig Vinco Ventures Inc. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I was watching this morning. IMPP is a stock that we started watching since Tuesday and Wednesday. And within the week, we have been watching this one and making opportunities out of it. It's been our home run nearly every single day. And today it turned out to be phenomenal and beyond expectations. When I mentioned it early on in the pre-market, it was sitting sideways, went under a bear indicator towards the bell, got that bull indicator, and hit a first highest point of 18% plus, consolidated, went up and broke through 20% plus, pulled back and took off within the whole entire day from the moment it was mentioned to its highest point of 90% plus, guys. And this was our home run, not just today, but within the whole entire week. And the first time we mentioned it and started watching it was way back here at 181. And so far it's hit highs of 420, giving a highest point so far this week of 120% plus, guys. We strive for opportunities like these every single day, every single week. And if you guys want to know about them early on in the pre-market or early on within the week, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig Vinco Ventures Inc. and we're going to go ahead and look here at some key levels today that are super important based off the support and also the reactions within the stock's volatility, right? We talked about some key data points in yesterday's video, and I'm going to pull it up today as well, just so we can look at it together, because this is what shorts use to go ahead and use it against the retail investor, not only the retail investor, but those that are long and they're trying to be short, right? So let me pull up Ultimate 42 Vision here, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction stocks are going, guys. So here we are with Bbig sitting sideways and currently under a bear indicator, right? Within the volatility here on the 30-minute, you could see the times it's jumped from bull indicator to bear indicator. And the last two times, it's actually jumped from 224 to highs here of about 284, about a 30% plus move until the next bear indicator went downwards, had another bull indicator pop up around 239, and it lasted all the way to the highs here of 270 about a 10 to 20% plus move. And now this bear indicator popped up, and we're currently seeing it actually pull down the stock even lower. And within the volatility, things continue to go back down to support levels that are key. And there's something that I've talked about within the volatility that is super important to realize, that the shorts are using to their advantage. And it's the fact that the average price of investors is not down here, and it's not even at these areas. And this is why it's so hard every time it runs up for it to stay steady and also trap shorts at the same time, because there's a lot of investors either locking in the small profits that they've made after averaging down for so long, or those that are cutting it short and actually stating, you know what, these losses are not as big as I was once losing. I'm going to cut it out here and move on to another opportunity. That's really what's going on every time this stock runs. And I'm going to show you guys the data, because the average price is above these levels here. And I used to say it, we need BBIG to go above $4 and stay above it. Number one, to trap shorts, and number two, for investors to show strength, and also the bulls come in and dominate, right? And right now, we are near all-time lows and also the most recent lows, right? And this is the data here, okay? The average price, okay, of most investors is 482. This is the cost distribution estimates. This is not exact. This is not guaranteed, but this is what the data is showing based off of Webull, right? When you look at it, the total profited shares proportion, which right now is not this much, it's probably even less than this because of how much the stock has fallen. This is yesterday's screenshot. Not a lot has changed since then. It's very low. And then you have 90% of the cost range between 297 and 918. And the 70% cost range, which is the highest concentration, is 324 to 540. Now, these numbers used to be higher, but a lot of investors are averaging in and getting their cost average as low as possible. Those that are long, those that see value in BBIG, those that see the spinoff to be of value, the different mergers and acquisitions and growth potential of the company. And this is why we've seen these averages go down. But the issue is, if we break through support levels almost nearly more than, well, right now it's almost 100%, because it doesn't even reach 1%, this 0.14 here. This is literally about a tenth of a percent, right? So 99.9% of investors that are bullish or invested in BBIG are currently down, okay? And the shorts are putting pressure here because they want to shake it out even further, make it go even further than where it's gone so far. Now, could there be a huge squeeze because of this proportion? Yes, but if they get trapped, that's the big issue. And the bulls, every time there's a slight run, if you look at it, every single time, we're going to look at it here, I'm going to zoom in and let you guys see what goes on. It always comes right back down. So we're going to look at it here together. So this is 42 vision. Every single time you see white with red borders, that means extreme weakness, followed by a bull indicator means some strength or confirmation, an extra layer. And then this is the full transition from red with green borders to dark green to green. And then you get a bear indicator and it goes back down. And then the reversal starts again. And you see it right there, right? These are two examples right there. Then we have here two of them that happen very differently. One actually had extreme weakness. The other one didn't. But you see the moves there, right? Bull indicators, bull and bear, bull and bear. And then you have here another one of two of them back to back, right? Goes up, full transition, got that bull indicator, then gets that bear indicator, goes into extreme weakness, full transition again, gets that bull indicator until the next bear indicator. And then again here, which was one of the strongest ones this year, way back in January, extreme weakness, got that bull indicator, and it lasted with full strength right here based off 42 vision all the way until the peak once it got that bear indicator and things started to pull back down. So every single time in the history, just alone this year, the last 3 months since the beginning of the year, and now we're in March, every time it pushes up, it loses the momentum really fast, and it's because investors are either getting shaken out, cutting their losses, short, right? Or profiting the small amount that they can because they average down so well. Or the third reason, it is just a whole bunch of people that are actually trading and then also handing the chart right back to the bears and to the shorts and giving them a chance to short even harder into the chart, because when it runs up, they make it go ahead and go down even more, and they're profiting every single spike because they're positioning themselves all over again within those levels. And every level below that, they are maximizing, guys. So the current support levels right now is 234. If that gets broken through, we got 224, then $2, and the 52-week low of 195. And to the upside, we want to see this break towards 270 and then get towards $3 so we can start analyzing other resistance levels. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.